I love jewelry, yes I do. I love jewelry, yes I do. Come along and watch me make a few. Woohoo!
I was getting dressed for the day and was trying to pick out a necklace, and then I saw these beads that I picked up a while back at the Dollar Tree. Look at all those lovely colors. These are some round ones. These are some flat round ones. And then I got these that are stars. Oh, they're gorgeous. And some more stars. So I thought, ooh, these would make a lovely necklace that would go with my pink dress. So I'm just gonna sit down and do a quick craft with these and make myself a necklace. Woohoo! Okay, lights, mirror, action! Let's get started. I'm gonna have to measure my neck, or my head, because it's gotta go over my head. But I love these little elastics that you could buy at the Dollar Tree. I've made me a pearl necklace out of one of these. I'll show it to you before I'm done. And me and my granddaughters made some stuff using this. And the pearls that I got from the Dollar Tree. All right, we want to measure it. Scissors, I didn't get scissors. Ah, I don't want to let this go. Momentito. All right. Snip. And we're going to start with these beautiful, lovely round ones. Woohoo! I always forget that they have what do you call it? I want to say lids, but it's not lids. Ah, that's my old brain. They have little sticky flaps that you don't have to cut it open. All right, so what is my color combination that I want? Let me figure out how I want my color combination. And then I'll get back to you. Momentito.
Okay, for the middle, I'm gonna want, I think a pink for the very middle. Let's put two pinks. Oops. Can't see. Okay, two pinks for the middle, and then let's say 3 greens on either side. 1, 2, 3, and then let me put 3 on this side. 1, 2, 3, and then I think I'll do 6 blue, because I want a lot of this beautiful blue color on there. Oh my goodness. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a lesson in counting. 5. 6. Alright, and then I'm going to put 6 on the other side. I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so far I've done 2 pink, 3 green, 5 blue, 2 green, 1 pink, and now I'm doing 5 blue again. So I gotta put 5 blue on this side. just love these colors. 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is what it looks like so far. Woo. I thought I saw someone outside my window. So, maybe 2 pink. 2 pink on each side. 2 pink. 2 pink. Ooh, isn't that lovely? Okay. How about 5 green? Yeah! Woohoo, 5 green. 1, 2, 3, 4. What comes after 4? 5! So now 5 green on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that's gonna look so pretty. So 5 green, and let's finish it off with blue. Alright, I'll finish it off and then I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Alright, I finished it off with, I put 5 green, 5 blue, and 3 pink. So, let me tie off the ends. I'm just going to put 3 knots. I've done 2. 3 knots. And then let me clip off the ends.
All right, let's put it on, and then I'll show you the pearl necklace that I made too. Come over here. How do you like that? I think it's gorgeous. Not bad for a dollar store. Woohoo! Okay, here's the white ones just by themselves. Ta-da! Okay, today's the next day after I made my beautiful blue and green and pink necklace, which I love so much. And then I was getting dressed for the day, and I was putting on this dress, and I thought, oh, I would love a necklace to go with this dress. Then I remembered these beads that I haven't done yet. So I sat down and quickly made me this short one, kind of like a choker. And then I thought, oh, I want a longer one to hang down. So I'm in the process of making me a longer one. So come over here and I'll show you.
Okay, this is what I've gotten done on it so far. Quite a bit. So it's going to hang down about that far. So I started off with 3 gold in the middle. I did 3 gold, 2 bronze, 5 silver. And then 2 gold, 2 bronze, 5 silver. All the way up on both sides. So I am at 2 gold. Okay, 2 gold, 2 bronze, Alright, 2 gold, 2 bronze, now 5 silver. 1, 2. At first I thought these ones would be kind of hard because they're not round, they're more flat, and I didn't know how easy it would be to go through the hole. But actually it's quite easy. The only thing is me getting the hole. It's not that hard either. It's not as hard as threading a needle for me. Okay, so 2 gold, 2 bronze, 5 silver. So I need to do the same thing on this side. So I'll keep working on it and then I'll show you the finished product. Woo! There you go.
All right, I thought I was done, but then I thought, what necklace set is complete without some bracelets? So I went ahead and made me a couple of bracelets. Aren't those pretty? So here you go. 2 necklaces, 2 bracelets. Woohoo! Such simple happiness. I love them all. See what you can create with dollar store beads.